Starboy there, so. Get me to the game, no one replace me. Me love my energy.
Hey guys, it's Marissa and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below so that you can join the Mafia, join the Marissa Mafia, the family. And if you're already a part of the squad, hey girl, welcome back. So I'm going to show you guys how I got my hair straight. I try to silk press my hair at home. I don't really know if it's, you know, as silky as it could possibly get, but this is the best job I've ever done, and I use totally different things this time, which you guys will see in the video. So yeah, if you want to care about how I got from my kinky type 4 hair to this, we got inches now, inches, body movement, then just keep watching. I'm starting with my hair already washed, sectioned, and detangled just to make things easier for myself. I'm going to leave my hair in these twists and move section by section. I'm using the Silk Elements heat protectant spray, and I'm just going to spritz each section before blow drying. I also use the BioSilk Silk Therapy Serum on each section as well.
Big girl dog, get a little taste out. Pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I would care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that, say you're done with that. On your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage.
When blow drying my hair, I use the highest speed and heat setting on my blow dryer. I go in first using the tension method, just pulling the ends of my hair tautly to stretch my hair as much as possible, and then I go in with the comb attachment just to further get the kinks out of my hair.
If you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you.
One time in it up, one time. You and all your girls in the club one time. Also convinced that you're following your heart, cause your mind on patrol, but it does sometimes.
I'm using my Baby Bliss Pro Titanium Flat Iron on 450 degrees. Before I flat iron my hair, I did go in with a little more of the Silk Therapy. I'm not sure if I should have did that or not, because my hair did feel slightly weighted. I mean, it still had movement and body, but if your hair isn't as thick as mine, I don't know if you should go in for a second round or use as much as I did. I wanted you guys to see about what size sections I used when flat ironing my hair. So I went in with the fine tooth comb, and then I did my first pass with the flat iron. Sometimes I kind of hit the roots a couple of times and other times I didn't. And after I go through one pass with the flat iron, I then go in a second time using my chaser comb to do the chase method.
If you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you.
If you have a smaller flat iron, you could use that for your edges, but since I don't, I just took my hot comb and made sure to touch up the perimeter of my hair.
They won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real. Cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still. So you cry still, tears all in a pillowcase. Big girl dog, get a little taste out. Pushing me away so I give her space out.
Definitely take your time with this so that you can get the best results. I just had to do a quick little link check to stay motivated. And I left this clip in real time just so y'all could see how slowly I'm passing the flat iron down my hair.
If
If you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. If you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you.
One time, in it up one time. You and all your girls in the club one time. Also convinced that you're following your heart, cause your mind don't control what it does sometimes. We all have our nights though. Don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know.
So here is what my hair is looking like, all straight. I'm super excited about the amount of growth I have. If you guys would like to see a video on how I trim my ends, then let me know and I'll be sure to record it for you guys because they need a little bit of love. They're not too bad. I did just get a trim in October, I want to say, but yeah. So now I'm going to go in and just add some curls to my hair because that's what I wanted to do. I don't know why.
If you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. If you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you.
To preserve my straight hair, I either use flexi rods or wrap it. This particular night I used flexi rods and this is how it looked in the morning. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.